Hello my dear students, let's discuss more about the real numbers. Today we are going to learn real numbers and their decimal expansion. Decimal expansion means the decimal form of a number. Here are two examples of division. In the first example, 20 is divided by 8 and the remainder is 0. Whereas in the second example, 10 is divided by 3 and the remainder is not 0. Let us discuss the first case. In this case, when the remainder becomes 0 in any division, the decimal expansion terminates or ends after a finite number of steps. We call the decimal expansion of such numbers as terminating. Now, the second case, where the remainder never becomes 0. In this case, the remainder repeat after a certain stage, forcing the decimal expansion to go on forever. In other words, we have repeating block of digits in the quotient. We call this type of decimal expansion as non-terminating recurring or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. When we divide 1 by 11, we get quotient as 0.090909 and so on. That means the block of digits 09 after the decimal is repeating, and we write this quotient as 0.09 bar. This bar represents that the two digits 09 are repeating in the quotient. Let us see one more example where the quotient is 2.7343434 and so on. Here, after the decimal, the first digit is 7 and then the block of digits 34 are repeating. We write this as 2.734 bar. That means bar will be above the digits 3 and 4. Now suppose when you consider the number line, and if you get numbers like 4.753 whose decimal expansion is terminating, or a number like 1.272727 and so on whose decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring, can you conclude that it is a rational number? The answer is yes. Numbers having terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion are rational numbers, as they can be expressed in p by q form, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Now we consider a quotient as 0.101101110 11110 and so on. If you see this decimal expansion, it is neither terminating nor non-terminating recurring. So this type of decimal expansion is called non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansion. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansions are irrational numbers. So we have seen that decimal expansions of a number can be either terminating, non-terminating recurring or non-terminating non-recurring. Let's recall this. Terminating decimal expansion. A decimal expansion in which the remainder becomes 0 is called terminating decimal expansion. These are rational numbers. For example, 54 divided by 9 equals to 6. Non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. In this, when a number is divided by the other, the remainder never becomes 0. Instead, the digits of the quotient start repeating themselves. Such numbers are also rational. For example, 3.7250, 7250, 7250 and so on. Here, the block of digits 7250 is repeating. It can be expressed in the form p by q. The decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. For example, pi. We know that pi is irrational number because its value is 3.141592 and so on, which is never ending. Here are some examples of irrational numbers and their first few decimal digits. Let us understand this concept with the help of a flowchart. Real numbers are rational numbers and irrational numbers. The decimal expansion of a rational number is terminating or non-terminating recurring. The decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating non-recurring. So dear students, I think that you have understood the concept. Your assignment for today is to write this property for the decimal expansion of real numbers with examples and draw the flowchart in your maths copy. Thank you dear students.